Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit Mondal and welcome to my YouTube channel Target Mathematics। तो हम लोग NVS TGT मैथमेटिक्स पेपर डिस्कस कर रहे थे। तो पिछले वीडियो में जो स्पेशल रिक्रूटमेंट वाला जो पेपर था जो कि था नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन के लिए, तो उसका जो पहला जो 20 क्वेश्चन था मैथमेटिक्स का वो हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। पहला 20 क्वेश्चन मतलब क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 60 तक हम लोगों ने डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। तो आज हम लोग नेक्स्ट जो 20 क्वेश्चंस है वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि है क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 80 तक। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो प्रीवियस वीडियोस जो लोगों ने नहीं देखा है, देखना चाहते हैं, तो इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैं लिंक दे दूंगा, वहां से आप लोग प्रीवियस वीडियोस को देख सकते हैं। ओके, तो इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आप जाइए, वहां के जो लिंक है वहां पे क्लिक करके आप लोग प्रीवियस जो वीडियोस है वो देख सकते हैं। एंड ऑलरेडी हम लोग जो डायरेक्ट रिक्रूटमेंट वाला जो क्वेश्चन पेपर था NVS TGT मैथमेटिक्स का, वो भी हम लोग पूरा सॉल्व कर चुके हैं इन डिटेल। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 से लेकर क्वेश्चन नंबर 120 तक हम लोग सॉल्व कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी 80 क्वेश्चंस। तो वो भी, उसका भी लिंक आपको इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, वहां से आप लोग पहला जो वीडियो है, पहला वाला जो वीडियो है वो सब देख सकते हैं। ओके, सो बिना लेट किए आज का सेशन हम लोग शुरू करते हैं। तो लेट अस गो टू द स्क्रीन डायरेक्टली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61। ओके, टुडेज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 61। So what they are asking in this question? For what value of k do the equations this and this represent two lines intersecting at a unique point? Okay, two equations are given. See, this is one equation of a straight line, this is another equation of a straight line, represent two lines intersecting at a unique point. Intersecting at a unique point, this term is very much important. Okay, so how to do that? Two equations, just write kx minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, before solving this question, I will give you the theory. Okay, I will give you the theory or formula, you can say, which we are going to apply here. Actually, this type of 2 or 3 questions I have seen in this paper. Okay, so that's why I am giving you the theory in detail for this problem, for solving this problem. So suppose we have two equations, two linear equations in x and y. Say a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, and another equation a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Then these two straight lines will intersect at a unique point. Okay, if intersect at a unique point, if, what is the condition for that? If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, these conditions you have to remember for solving this type of questions. And again I am telling, this type of 2 or 3 questions I have seen in this paper. Okay, you will also see after some time. Okay, this is the condition for intersecting at a unique point, or in the other words you can say this is the condition for a unique solution of these two linear equations. Okay, this is the condition for having unique solution of these two linear equations. Next, they don't have any solution. They don't have any solution if, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for they don't have any solution, or they will not intersect at all. Okay, this is the condition for they will not intersect at all, and this was the condition, they will intersect at a unique point. Okay, this is one condition, this is one condition, and one last condition I will tell, that they have many solutions or they intersect at many points, or in other words you can say the equations are coincident. Okay, that also you can say they have many solution. I am writing they have many solution or infinitely many solution. Okay, they have infinitely many solution, many solution. If what is the condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, this is the third condition. So all these three conditions are very important. Okay, all these three conditions are very important. So we will apply here among these conditions. Okay, so now let us see our problem, that they are asking they intersecting at a unique point. Okay, that means they have unique solution. So what is the condition for unique solution? A1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So if you compare these two equations with these two equations, then what is a1? A1 means k by a2 means 3 is not equal to b1 by b2 minus 2 divided by 1, or from here we are getting k is not equal to minus 6. So for all values of k except minus 6, okay, the equations have unique point of intersection. Okay, whatever they are asking. So which option? Option number 4 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, question number 61, option number 4 is the correct answer. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 62. Now see here also, already I have told you just few minutes ago that this type of several problems they have given in this paper. So this is another problem of the same type. The pair of equations this and this has, now 4 options are there. Option number 1, a unique solution, exactly 2 solutions, no solution, infinitely many solutions. Okay, so what we have to check? We have to check the ratios of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, which condition they are satisfying. So a1 by a2 means what? Here 1 by 3, b1 by b2 means 2 by 6 and c1 by c2 means 5 by minus 1 or minus 5 by 1, whatever you see. Now what we are seeing, that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 here. See, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. Then what we can say? They don't have any solution. Okay, they don't have any solution. The equations are parallel to each other. Okay, they don't have any solution. So the correct option is option number 3, no solution. Okay, the pair of equations this and this has no solution. And one more thing I want to tell you, that these problems are very important who are willing to write the KVS, TGT, PGT exams for mathematics. Okay, for them also these videos are very much useful. So don't forget to like and share with your known friends, okay, who wants to write these exams, NVS TGT PGT or KVS TGT PGT or any TGT or PGT mathematics exam. These problems are very much important. So now let's move to the next question, question number 63. The pair of equations this and this has the solution. Okay, we have to find the values of x and y. So what we will do, from the first equation we can write 3 to the power x plus y is equal to 3 to the power 4, because 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. So from here if you compare the powers, then we will have x plus y is equal to 4. Very simple problem. Okay, x plus y is equal to 4. And from the second equation, the left hand side we can write 3 to the power 4 into x minus y is equal to 3 square. Okay, 3 to the power 4 into x minus y is equal to 3 square. So from here if you compare the powers, then what we will get, 4 into x minus y is equal to 2 So from here what we will get, x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. Now basically we have to solve these two equations, x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to half. Now many ways are there for solving these two equations. You can apply any one of them. I will apply just elimination method. X plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. So I will first add these two equations. So y will be get cancelled. 2x will become 4 plus 1 by 2. That means 2, 4, 8, 8, 1, 9 by 2. I think 9 by 2 it is. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 9 by 4. Now without solving the remaining for y, you can say that only one option is there, x is equal to 9 by 4 here. In option number 2, x is equal to 9 by 4. But still we will solve for our satisfaction. So if x is equal to 9 by 4, then y is equal to, come here, x plus y is equal to 4. From here what we will get? 4 minus x, 4 minus 9 by 4. So this is equal to 4 into 4, 16 minus 9 is equal to 7, 7 by 4. So x is equal to 9 by 4, y is equal to 7 by 4. So option number 2 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, this was question number 63. So let's move to question number 64. See again the same type of problem. Already I have told that the graphs of the equations, these and these are two lines which are, see option number 1, coincident. Coincident means they have infinitely many solutions. Okay, and option number 2 is parallel. Parallel means they don't have any solution. Option number 3 is intersecting at exactly one point. Okay, they have a unique solution. That means they have a unique solution. And option number 4 is perpendicular to each other. Means one straight line or the angle between the straight lines is 90 degree. Okay, so which option is correct? So here also a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, we will see what values we are getting. So here see a1 by a2 means 2 by 1, b1 by b2 means 3 by minus 2 and c1 by c2 means 2 by 8. So simply or obviously we can see that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. We can see here clearly, it is very clear. So whenever a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 means they will intersect exactly at one point or they will have a unique solution. Okay, is it clear? So intersecting at exactly one point. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 65. So what they are saying, a three-wheeler charges rupees 15 for the first kilometer and 8 rupees 8 per kilometer subsequently. That means first kilometer they will charge 15 rupees and next onwards kilometers per kilometer they will charge 8 rupees. Okay, so for a distance x kilometer, y are paid, rupees y are paid. Okay, the linear equation representing this information is, what will be the linear equation, corresponding linear equation between x and y. So x kilometer, so first kilometer anyway y, total money he is paying y. Okay, y will be equal to, now total kilometer is x, out of that first kilometer they will charge 15 rupees and remaining x minus 1 kilometer, per kilometer they will charge 8 rupees. So y is equal to this, simple, very simple. So this is nothing but 15 plus 8x minus 8. So this is nothing but 15 minus 8 means 7 plus 8x. So we are getting y is equal to 7 plus 8x. Or how the answers are given, we have to rearrange them. So y minus 8x is equal to 7 or 8x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, 8x, just take the y, this y in the right hand side. 8x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the required linear equation between x and y. So 8x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Option number 3 is the correct answer. So is it clear to everyone? So can we move to the next question? Yes, okay. Let's go to the next question. Question number 66 is on the screen. So what they are saying, when the price of an article is reduced by 4, 12 more articles can be purchased for rupees 288. The original price of each article is. So what we will do here, I will assume the original price is rupees X per article, okay, per article. Now these X we have to find anyway. Now let us try to form some equation out of the given conditions. So now if one article costs X rupees, then for 288 rupees, how many articles will be there? 288 by X, yes or no? 288 by X articles we can buy. Now what they are saying, if the cost is reduced by 4 per article, so now the cost is X minus 4. Now the cost is X minus 4. So now how many articles we can buy of these 288 rupees? So 288 by X minus 4. Now what they are saying, that 12 more articles can be purchased for rupees 288. So that means this plus 12 is equal to this. This is the given condition. Okay, 12 more articles we can buy. So now let us try to solve this equation and we have to find X. So what will happen? 288 plus 12X. Okay, 12, 2 24, 48. Okay, 12 we can cancel anyway. So anyway, let me write first into X minus 4. Okay, sorry. Into X minus 4 is equal to 288 into X. So from both sides 12 I can cancel. Okay. So these calculations you should do in your own. Okay. And if you find any mistake, then you should inform me in the comment section. So 12 2 24, 12 4 plus X into X minus 4 is equal to 24X. So this we are getting. Now out of this what we will get? 24X minus 96 plus X square minus 4X minus 24X is equal to 0. So one quadratic equation we will get. So what is that equation? X square, just I am rearranging the terms, X square and 24X will be cancelled. So we are getting minus 4X minus 96 is equal to 0. Now middle term factor we will do here. So 14 into 4 96, 14 into 4 96. So here I can write 14X okay, 14 minus 4 it will not work. Okay, it will not work. So what should we do then? 16 into 6, 16 into 6 will also not work. Then 4 we have to make. Okay, 96 we will factorize just and we will try to see 96, 248, 224, 212, 26, 23. Now we have to make 4 minus 4, not minus 4, minus is there. So 12 into 8. Okay, 12 into 8 will work. 12 into 8 will work. Okay, so minus 12x plus 8x minus 96 is equal to 0. Okay, so what we are getting? X into x minus 12 plus 8 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. So it will become x minus 12 into x plus 8 is equal to 0. Anyway, x cannot be negative because it is the price of some article. So x is equal to 12. Okay, as x is not equal to 8, as x is not equal to minus 8. Okay, so x is equal to 12. So our correct answer is 12. Per article cost is 12. So option 3 is the correct answer. Is it clear? So every problem we are going in detail. Okay, we are trying to understand the poses of the problems. Okay, so let's move to next question. Question number 67. Now, which of the following equations has the sum of its roots as 3? Okay, sum of the roots as 3. So we know that if we have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, then what is the sum? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and the product also I am telling you, product will be c by a. Okay, so we have to check this sum of its roots as 3. So come to the first equation, 2x square minus 3x minus 6. Okay, then sum of the roots will be what? Minus b by a. So minus of minus 3 by 2. So this is equal to 3 by 2. So it is, for this equation the sum is not 3. So option 1 is not correct. Option 2, what about option 2? Now here minus b by a means minus of b means 3 and a means minus 1. So this is equal to 3. Okay, option 2 is working. Okay, now for our satisfaction you can check the remaining two options as well. So for the third equation, what is the sum of the roots? Minus of minus 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. So option 3 is also wrong. And for the fourth equation, what is the sum of the roots? Minus b by a, again minus of 3 by root 2 divided by root 2. Okay, so it will become 3 by 2. So fourth option is also wrong. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. So is it clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 68. Now what they are asking, when Anu is asked her age, she replied, if you subtract 21 times my age from the square of my age, the result is 72. Her age is what? Okay, again I will read it. If you subtract 21 times my age from the square of my age. Okay, suppose the age is x. Suppose the age is x year. Okay, x years. Then according to the given condition, if you subtract 21 times my age from the square of my age, so from the square of her age, if you subtract 21 times her age, then the result is 72. So the result is 72. This is the equation. So 21x minus 72 is equal to 0. So 24 into 3, 72. Okay, 24 into 3, 72. So middle term factor we will do 24x plus 3x minus 72 is equal to 0. So from here x into x minus 24 plus 3 into x minus 24 is equal to 0. So from here what we can say, x is equal to 24 as x not equal to minus 3. Okay, x not equal to minus 3. So x is equal to 24. So her age is 24 years. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer. So this was question number 68. Now question number 69. The equations where roots are reciprocal of the roots x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now the equation whose roots are alpha and beta, what will be the equation? If the roots are given alpha and beta, what will be the equation? Everyone knows x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay, this is the main formula which we are going to apply here. So now the given equation is x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Suppose the roots are alpha and beta here, alpha and beta. So what will be alpha plus beta then? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So 1 and alpha beta is equal to c by a, so minus 6, alpha beta is equal to minus 6. So now we have to find the equation whose roots are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. Okay, because reciprocal, roots are reciprocal, see, of the roots of this equation. So if alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation, then we have to find the equation whose roots are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. Okay, so now what is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta? Sum of the roots, this is alpha beta and alpha plus beta. So just put the value alpha plus beta is equal to 1, we have alpha beta is equal to minus 6. So this is 1 by minus 6. Okay, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to minus 1 by 6, and 1 by alpha into 1 by beta is equal to 1 by alpha beta, that is equal to again minus 1 by 6. Okay, so what is the required equation then? X square minus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta into x plus 1 by alpha beta is equal to 0. So just put the values 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, what we have got, this is equal to minus 1 by 6. So minus of minus 1 by 6 into x, and 1 by alpha beta is equal to minus 1 by 6, that is equal to 0. So now multiply throughout by 6, so we will get 6x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 6x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So which option? Option number 1 is the correct answer for this question. 6x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So is it clear to everyone? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 70. Under what condition the roots of the equations these and these are simultaneously real number? Okay, so what is the condition for real roots of this equation? Suppose the equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The roots are real if and only if b square minus 4ac is greater than equals to 0. Okay, this is the condition. This we are going to apply. Okay, for this equation. Now this is one equation, this is another equation. So what is the condition that the roots will be real for this first equation? What will be the condition? B square minus 4ac. So if you compare b square minus 4ac is greater than equals to 0. So from here we will get b square minus ac greater than equals to 0. And what is the condition for having real roots for the second equation? Again b square minus 4ac. So if you compare, b square means 2 root ac whole square minus 4ac minus 4b into b is greater than equals to 0. So from here what we will get? 4ac minus 4b square is greater than equals to 0. So from here we are getting ac minus b square is greater than equals to 0. Or we are getting, if you multiply by minus, b square minus ac is less than equals to 0. So under which condition? Both the conditions will hold simultaneously. Okay, together they will satisfy. These two conditions should be satisfied simultaneously, these two conditions. Okay, then what we will have? We will have b square minus ac is equal to 0. B square minus ac is equal to 0 because the first condition is telling it is greater than equals to 0, and the second condition is telling b square minus ac is less than equals to 0. So they will hold simultaneously if b square minus ac is equal to 0. Okay, so b square is equal to ac. So this is the required condition. So option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so question number 70 is done. Let's move to the next question. Question number 71. What they are telling, a notebook has 20 pages, a sheet got torn and the average of the remaining pages is 10 by 5 by 10 into 5 by 6. Okay, 10 is the integer part and 5 by 6 is the fractional part. So the pages which got torn are what? Okay, so the notebook has 20 pages, page number say from 1 to 20, 1, 2, 3 like that up to 20 will be there, and two one sheet got torn, that means two simultaneous page is vanished. Okay, it may be 3 and 4, it may be 5 or 6, it may be 7 or 8, like that. Two pages are not there. Then the average of the remaining pages is this. So which pages got torn, that they are asking. So okay, what we can do from here, so what is the sum of these 20 pages? What is the sum of these 20 pages? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot up to 20, that is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So that is equal to 10 into 21, that is equal to 210. That is the sum of the 20 pages. Now the average of the remaining 18 pages is 10 into 5 by 6. Okay, so average of the 18 pages. So what is the sum of the 18 pages? What is the sum of the 18 pages? So 10 into 5 by 6 into 18, that is the sum of the remaining pages. So this is equal to what? 10, 6, 60, 65 by 6, 65 by 6 into 18. So 6 into 3, 18, that is equal to 3, 5, 15 and 3, 6, 18, 119, 195. So therefore the sum of the pages which got torn, sum of the pages which got torn, sum of the pages which got torn is what? 210 minus 195. Okay, 210 minus 195. So this is 5 and 10 means 15. It will be 15. So which pages they may be? They will be two consecutive pages. Means if one page is 3, the next page number will be 4. Okay, 3 and 4 or 5 or 6 or like that. So 15. Now check the options. Okay, sum of the pages should be 15. So if you check the option 1, that is obviously wrong, because 15 plus 16 is something more than 15. So 11 plus 12, that is also more than 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. Okay, this is the correct option we are seeing, and 3 plus 1, 3 plus 4 is 7. So this is also not equal to 15. So this is also wrong. So option number 3 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so is it clear to everyone that option 3 is the correct answer for this question? So let's go to the next question, question number 72. Now here what they are saying, that if in an AP Sn is equal to, Sn means the sum of the first n terms. Okay, Sn is equal to n into 2n plus 1, then T16 is what? That means 16th term is what? So okay, our target is to find the first term and the common ratio. Okay, so Sn, the sum of the first n terms is this. So if you put n is equal to 1, S1 means that is equal to A, the first term of this AP, that is equal to nothing but put n is equal to 1, then 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1 into 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 means 3, so A is equal to 3. The first term of the AP is 3. Now S2 means what? S2 means what? The sum of the first two terms of this AP. So the first term is A, then if D be the common difference of that AP, then the second term will be A plus D. Okay, this A plus D is equal to, just put n is equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 1. So this is equal to 2 into 2 to 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. So from here we are getting 2A plus D is equal to 10. Now for the value of A we have got already 3. So D is equal to what? 10 minus 2A, 2 into 3, 6. So 10 minus 6 means 4. So D is equal to 4. So we have got the value of A, we have got the value of D. Okay, these two values are required. Now we know the formula for finding the nth term of an AP. So T16 will be nothing but Tn is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So T16 will be A plus 15D. So A means 3 and 15 into D means 4. So 3 plus 15 4 60. So 63. So T16 is 63. So 63 is the correct answer. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now next problem. Question number 73. So one AP is given. The next term of the AP I will require. So if the first term is A, if D is the common difference, then the next term will be A plus D, then the next term will be A plus 2D dot dot. In that way it will go. So how to find the common difference? A is 1 by P here. Already we have A is 1 by P and A plus D is 1 minus P by P, the second term. So what is D? If you subtract the first term from the second term, you will get D. Okay. So just D is equal to, we will subtract the first term from the second term, 1 by P minus 1 by P. Okay. That is equal to 1 by P minus 1 minus 1 by P. So this is equal to 1 by P will be cancelled. This is equal to minus 1. So D is equal to minus 1. So we have to add minus 1 to get the next term from the previous term. Okay. So what is the next term? Just we have to add minus 1 with this term. So the next term will be 1 minus 2P divided by P minus 1. So what it will be? 1 minus 2P minus P divided by P. So this we can write 1 by P minus 3P by P means minus 3. 1 by P minus 3. This is the required term. Okay. So which option? Can you see the option? Which option is correct? Option number 4 is the correct answer. So this was question number, I think 73. Okay. This was question number 73. So now let's move to the next question. So this is also from arithmetic progression. Which term of the AP is given? The first term is 27, second one is 22, then 17 is the first negative term. Okay. Which term of this AP will be the first negative term? Okay. What is the nth term? Formula. By formula we know Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is A here? 27 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? 22 minus 27, that means minus 5. Okay, D means minus 5. So this is what? 27 minus 5n plus 5. Okay, 27 plus 5 means 32 minus 5n. 32 minus 5n. Tn is equal to this. Now they are asking this term should be negative. First negative term we have to find. So Tn is negative. So Tn is less than 0. That means what? 32 minus 5n is less than 0. So from here what we will get? 5n is greater than 32. 5n is greater than 32. From here we will get n is greater than 32 by 5. Now this value is what? 5, 6, 36 point something. Okay, n is greater than 6 point something. So the least value of n is what? 6.4. Okay, 6.4. Write down just 6.4. So what is the least value of n? So that Tn will be less than 0. Then least value of n is 7. Okay, least value of n is 7. So seventh term is the first negative term. So option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now let's move to question number 75. The ratio of the 11th term to the 18th term of an AP is 2:3. So 11th term means what? A plus 10D, and the 18th term means A plus 17D. The ratio of these two terms is 2/3. So from here we will find some relation between A and D. Okay. So from here what we are getting? 3A plus 30D is equal to 2a plus 34d. So 3a minus 2a is equal to a, and 34 minus 30 means 4d. A is equal to 4d. Okay, keep it. This we will use in our further calculation. So the ratio of the sum of the first 5 terms, okay, see here, first 5 terms and first 21 terms, okay. So the sum of the first 5 terms will be what? 5 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 4 into d. This is the sum of first 5 terms. Okay, I am writing the formula here. Sn, the sum of the first n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula we are using here. Okay, this is the formula we are using here. So this is the sum of the first 5 terms. And what is the sum of the first 21 terms? So this will be 21 by 2 into 2a plus 20d. 2a plus 20d. So anyway 2 will be cancelled. So a is equal to 4d. The value of a we will put here. Okay. Or before that also we will simplify it further. Okay. This is 5 by 21 and 2 will be cancelled from the numerator and the denominator. Okay. So if we divide by 2 the numerator, we will get a plus 2d, and if we divide by 2 the denominator, we will get a plus 10d. Now put the value of a is equal to 4d. So if a is equal to 4d, then 4d plus 2d means 6d, and 4d plus 10d means 14d. So dd will be cancelled, and this 2 3 6 2 7 and 3 7 21. So we are getting 5 by 49. 5 by 49. So the ratio is what? The required ratio is 5 is to 49. 5 is to 49. This is the required ratio we are getting. So which option? Option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Option 3 is the correct answer. So let's move to question number 76. This is straightforward. We know that mod A is, or not mod A, I will not write mod A. Mod x is less than a means what? This inequality means simply minus a less than x less than a. So here mod x is less than 3 means minus 3 less than x less than 3. So option 2 is the correct answer. This is straightforward. No need to calculate anything. Okay. So 76 is done. Now let's move to the next question. Is on the screen. Now what they are telling, a solution is to be kept between 40 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius. So the Celsius value is between 40 degree and 45 degree. Okay, 40 degree and 45 degree Celsius value that they are telling by this given condition. We have written this. Now they are asking what will be the range of the Fahrenheit. Okay, and they have given a relation that F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So for that, what we will do, just multiply this inequality by 9 by 5. 9 by 5 into 40 less than 9 by 5 into C less than 9 by 5 into 45. Okay. So just to do a little bit calculation, 5 8 40. So 9 8 72. 72 less than 9 by 5 C and less than 5 9 45 9 9 81. So this we are getting. Now add 32. Add 32. So 72 plus 32 less than 9 by 5 into C plus 32 less than 81 plus 32. Okay, throughout we are adding 32. Now what we are getting? 72 plus 32 means 104. 104 less than, now what is this quantity? Can you see what is this quantity? 9 by 5 C plus 32. This is F, nothing but this is F. See here, this is F. So this is F. So this is equal to 3213831. 11. So what is the range of the Fahrenheit? Then Fahrenheit degrees, degree Fahrenheit 104 to 113. So 104 degree will be less than x less than 113 degree. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, 104 degree is less than x less than 113 degree. So let's go to the next question. Question number 78. Okay, two inequalities are given. We have to solve these inequalities. Okay, separately we will find the solution of the first inequality. What we will get? Okay, let us take the first inequality. 3x minus 7 is less than 5 plus x. So from here we will get 2x is less than 5 plus 7 means 12. So from here we will get x is less than 6. Okay, x is less than 6. Now from the second inequality, 11 minus 5x is less than equals to 1. 11 minus 5x is less than equals to 1. So from here we will get 5x is greater than equals to 10. Okay, what we have done? 5x we are taking this side and 1 we are taking this side. Okay, so 5x is greater than equals to 10 we are getting. So from here x is greater than equals to 2. So if you combine these two, so first one is telling x is less than 6 and second one is telling x is greater than equals to 2. So we can write 2 is less than equals to x is less than 6. Okay, 2 is less than equals to x is less than 6. This is the correct answer. So option 3 is the correct answer. 2 is less than equals to x less than 6. Now come to question number 79. So what it is telling, if p is a prime number such that p square minus 8p minus 65 is greater than 0, then the smallest value of p is. Now here you have to remember p is prime, they have told p is prime. So option 2 cannot be correct because 14 is not a prime number. Okay. So what we will do, p square minus 8p minus 65 is greater than 0. The left hand expression we will split it by middle term factor. Okay, factorize it. 13 into 5 65. Okay, 13 into 5 65. So 13p plus 5p minus 65 is greater than 0. So from here what we can do, p into p minus 13 plus 5 into p minus 13 is greater than 0. So from here what we will get, p minus 13 into p plus 5 is greater than 0. So then what will be the range of p, or what will be, which interval p will lie? So here say minus 5 and here say 13. So p minus 13 into p plus 5 is greater than 0 means what? This is either less than minus 5, in this side p may lie, or p may lie in this side. So either p is less than minus 5 or p is greater than 30. So anyway p cannot be less than minus 5 because p is a prime number and prime number is always positive. So this possibility is discarded, this possibility is discarded. So now come to this possibility, p is greater than 13. So what is the least prime number greater than 13? Now after 13, 14 will come. 14 is not a prime number, 15 is not a prime number, 16 is not a prime number, 17 is the next prime number. So the least value or the smallest value of p is 17. Okay, p, the smallest value of p is 17. So option 3 is the correct answer. So for here, whatever graphical method I have used, that I will explain to you so that you can remember by this trick. Very easily you can find the interval of this type of inequalities. Suppose you have x minus a into x minus b is greater than 0. Then in which interval x will lie? Suppose here a is less than b. A is less than b. So graphically just try to remember this thing. A I will write in the left side of b, a b, and greater than means it will be excluding the points a and b. Okay, the interval for x will be this side and this side. So you can write that x is less than a or x is greater than b, okay, for this inequality. Now next, suppose equality is there, then simply what we will do, x minus a into x minus b is greater than equals to 0, suppose, and the same condition, a is less than b, okay, same condition I am keeping, that a is less than b. So at that time what we will do, just here say a, here say b, then equality means these points will be included. So x will be equal to a or less than a, or x may be equal to b or less than b. The points are included here, okay. So here x is less than equals to a or x is greater than equals to b. Now if the inequality is less than, suppose x minus a into x minus b is less than 0, then what will be the inequality, what will be the interval for x? Now a is less than b here also, okay, a is less than b, so a b, then if it is less than, then this will be the interval for x. So that means a is less than x, less than b, okay. Now if equality is there, similarly we will manipulate the result, x minus a into x minus b is less than equals to 0, then what will happen? Then this is a say, this is b, so now these points will be included, okay, these points will be included, this is the interval. So this is a less than equals to x, less than equals to b. So okay, in that way you can solve very easily. So here also I have applied the same thing. Okay, so let's move to the question number 80. This is the last question for today's session, okay. What it is telling, if there are 12 persons in a party and if each of them shake hands with each other, then the number of handshake is what? Okay, number of handshake we have to find. In the party 12 persons are there, total 12 persons are there. So for making one handshake, how many persons are required? 2 persons are required. So in how many ways we can choose 2 persons out of 12 persons? That will be the number of handshakes in that party. So out of 12 persons, how many ways we can choose 2 persons? 12C2. This is the number of handshake. Okay, simple. 12 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 10 factorial. So this is equal to 12 into 11 into 10 factorial, that I can write, and in the below 2 factorial means 2 and 10 factorial, I am writing 10 factorial, 10 factorial, 10 factorial will be cancelled, 2, 6, 12 and 6 into 11 means 66. Okay, so total number of handshake is 66. Option 2 is the correct answer. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So today we are discussing up to this, and in the next video we will continue for the next 20 problems, that means problem number 81 to problem number 100. Okay, that we will discuss in the next video. So be in touch. So whoever are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel to get this type of videos, and if you find it useful, don't forget to like and share with your known ones, okay, so that they also get the benefit of these videos. Okay, so again I am telling that those who are new, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to like and share with your known ones. Okay. So thank you everyone and see you in the next video.